Good morning. Just before we start today's video, I wanted to share some very exciting news. The death by paperwork portion of our journey seems to very nearly be at an end. And very, very soon, we're going to get to start building our home.
As you can imagine, if you've been following along our progress so far, we are very excited to finally be starting work on the actual house. We have tons of stuff we want to share with you, and very, very soon you'll start hearing all about it.
Right, so this morning we are going to try to start a door. And I'm going to see if I can get this side of the door frame up myself while Dan cuts the pieces for the first door. And I might try to find some gloves because it's something like -1-ish today, and that is cold enough to need some mitts. So Dan's going to try to build the door in here because we have a nice flat dry area now. So I'll see if I can get you set up to see in there, but we don't have any lights. So you may or may not be able to see, but we'll better get started.
So we've cut all of our pieces for the door, and we're going to assemble it, square it, glue it and screw it, and then we can work on getting some crossbeam supports in.
I'm so grateful that we have a dry space to build this. All right, should we see if it fits? Woo! Oh no.
What? It's going to be hanging off the front?
Yeah.
I think that's right. We can put a threshold of sorts in.
Well, at least we don't have to worry about it fitting. So it's going to be off the front because we had to set the door frame out further than the concrete is. Like you said, we can put a threshold and maybe it's better.
And it helps us because we made the tool slightly too big or the ground unlevel. So.
And also, actually, in the rain that runs off the door will definitely go outside the shed rather than inside. So we did it on purpose.
Yep.
Really?
Totally intentional.
We are going to try to get this door hung. So we're going to mark out the hinges, get them chiseled in, mark them out on the door frame and get them in there as well. So yeah, let's get on with that.
You got everything ready? Is the white drill bit in?
Yes. That guy's in. Lift. Okay. Right there for a second. Got it?
Yep.
Up. Okay. Okay, hold that. Should I get one in the above one? Or
Yeah.
don't let it move. I'll try closing it and seeing how it looks. What do you think?
Good.
All right, let's get the other ones in. Right. You want to open and close our Hinge door for the first time? Natural stopping point.
Yeah, intentional. That looks good.
Yeah?
The gaps look good. I'm not sure it's going to stop the breeze.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
We have a door.
Now we get to learn whether we have made our lives better or worse by cladding after.
All right, so we've cut and half lapped the pieces for the second door, and we're going to put it together, check it square, and then glue and screw the pieces together. Oh, our nephew wanted us to say that if you're still watching by this point, comment pineapples in the comment section, because he wants to see how many people are still watching and that will comment pineapples.
Team Pineapples.
Right, so it's squared, so we won't move anything, and we will start drilling the holes.
That is a very good fit.
All right, so we did get the hinge cut out bits. Do they have a name? What are the bits you cut out for a hinge?
Hinge holes.
Hinge holes. Okay. I can't call them hinge holes. We have the recesses, okay, cut out for the hinges on the door. And then the next time we pick it up, we're going to align them on the door and get them chiseled out of the doorway. And then we can get it up as well. So, yeah, very cool.
Hinge holes.
Good morning. So, sorry, I thought that was funny, and then I realized it's not. So, yeah, sorry. Dan's in the darkness over there.
Morning. We learned that they're not hinge holes, they're mortises. Hinge mortises is what we'll be doing on here.
Not hinge holes.
I like hinge holes.
Okay. All right. Good to get started.
Let's go.
Gonna look good, right? It's gonna be enough to look like a chevron and not shallow enough to look like a mistake.
Yeah.